This time on ECRN Garage, the bumper car gets finished. So we're going to have a look at how the gas pedal linkages is working. Just operate it there so we can see the whole. I guess it's not a gas pedal, it's a electron pedal. Alright, let's go with the brake pedal assembly now. Alright, so it's linked there, down. Now it pushes on the little master cylinder and a return spring. And that's the braking mechanism. So we're hopefully putting the body on for the final time again. They've got all the mechanical, electrical stuff all finalized, floor plates, linkages. And they were just working on putting the horn cap on the steering wheel.
Yeah, get your fingers and put it in there.
Alright, she's a little bit closer again. We'll get this body on and get the seats back in and bolt it down fully.
That's good though. Right.
There we go.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, sit in the steering wheel. Yeah, there we go. At least.
Does it go inside?
Goes inside the groove,
or
yeah.
inside.
And it just fits.
Okay. There we go.
That side's not in now. So just push it in there like that? Yeah. There we go, now it's in. What do you think, Emily? Crazy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it did cover the.
All covered up the mess. Wendell was all upset. Oh, geez, that's awesome, Jody. That's wicked.
I don't know how this goes.
Just like that. Yeah, that's it.
Oh yeah, that looks
Whoa,
great.
boy, that's
Holy.
a finishing touches right there.
Yes, I
Wow.
run a thread chaser through 3/8 course.
Oh.
There's nut certs in there.
Oh, nuts are
wasn't
good.
it?
Yeah.
It was like a,
If you have.
it was like a green, but it was done like,
I figured.
it was done like it was, it had about
Yes,
3
it did.
coats of paint on it.
Okay.
It was green, but it was almost like it had rock guard on it.
Really?
Yeah. Wendell had stripped the whole thing.
What an awesome job.
And Wendell, I said, Wendell, make sure we leave the decals on, the tags, right? Because we made in Italy, right?
Mm-hmm.
We'll put the windshield right here, right?
Yep. Where's, oh, it's right here. We gotta have a look at it.
Oh, the seat looks awesome, Jody.
Oh man.
Yeah, oh, it's perfect there. Oh yeah, pedals are all good and everything.
You can operate the pedals.
Right
can you?
here is the emergency, or the main shutoff.
Oh yeah.
You get it, it's right up here, it's hidden.
Oh, where is it? Oh, I feel it there. It's a rocker switch.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just give it a little bit of gas, just a little.
Wow.
You want to go reverse? You just
Push down.
And
That's cool, man. And that Wendell was grinding while it went right through it.
That's a cool looking rig.
that's insane.
So I'm gonna get
Oh, just 1 second, we gotta.
You gotta
put the light on. You gotta do the lights.
I'm gonna get Clifford to do the hubcaps to like do that pink stripe thing like this, so when it's spinning it'll look crazy.
yeah.
Then he said he wanted to do a crazy looking mouse house on the front. And then I'm gonna get him do the number 10 on the back and 2 eyeballs. And you know,
Are you gonna screw it all together? Or?
Oh, yeah.
And then I got a windshield for it right here, Jody.
You got
No, you don't.
Yeah, right here.
We're gonna put the windshield on.
Emily, we gotta let Jody take this to school and you can go into school. Drive to school in it, Emily.
Wow.
It's awesome.
That is awesome.
It is wicked, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. So when are you taking it for the first?
I'm gonna take I hope my plan is to take the Liverpool to the car show.
Cool.
That's in.
Do the headlights work, or?
They will.
Well,
Oh yeah. The car show is.
We got the tail lights on here. And they changed the lights a little bit there. They were just going to put LEDs, but they put convex mirrors in behind the headlights to make them shine out a bit better. Looks great. So we got some decorative hood pins that were real hood pins. Keep the hood down at 100 mile an hour. And we got this nice little
Fix the front there.
windshield, adjustable windshield. And that's pretty much all the pieces, except for the custom pin striping that's going to happen here soon. She's all mechanical and physical, ready to go. Next stop, the pin stripers.
Oops.
Try the brake.
Yeah, brakes, got brakes. Yeah. Yeah, got brakes.
You try the brake. No, it's not. Put it up on high.
Stop. Just gotta be a little careful.
I'll just send this one just for him because he doesn't like to be filmed. So
The accent doesn't look too small
It
with
looks-
somebody in it.
no, it doesn't look awkward at all. Does it look cool?
Hey?
Great.
I don't want to be the one to run it into the truck.
You know what? You wouldn't heard much on it if you ran it into something anyways.